let's talk a little bit about the bias of these particular so-called independent medical examiners. I think that we've seen through our cases of litigation, through the ERISA appeals and information that we've obtained, and through seeing hundreds of disability cases, that these doctors are really not independent doctors. They're doctors who are paid to say whatever the disability insurance company wants them to say. So in anticipation of today, I did some research of cases that we had, as well as other cases that have been around the country. And I came across some stuff that you guys will probably find interesting. For example, there was a doctor who was trained at Harvard. His name's actually, he's a psychiatrist. His name's Dr. Stephen Gerson. And during a 4-year period, he was paid over $900,000 for solely conducting independent medical exams for insurance companies. So, and that was only a portion of his income, but that's $900,000. Of that, in 2006, $250,000 of that money was paid to him from Prudential Insurance Company. Another doctor, who in a federal case, a Dr. Amy Hopkins, was paid $493,832 over a 3-year period just to do insurance paper reviews, these independent medical reviews and paper reviews for the insurance company. So in one case regarding this Dr. Hopkins, the court specifically said that Dr. Hopkins would use a pick and choose approach that ignored evidence and completely mischaracterized a treating physician's notes in order to deny a claim. So, you know, the companies do this and tend to go back to the same doctors, but they can't necessarily pull the wool over the judge's eyes or over a jury's eyes. So, you know, one of the things we always try to do in our cases is get this information and get it to the courts, because if you can't get it, then you're never able to expose the bias of this company. I know in a case we just handled actually out of Hawaii, we got evidence to show that the one doctor got paid just in 1 year $165,000 from Prudential Insurance Company. And then when we looked him up even further, we saw that he had several years in a row of getting over $100,000 in payments. So you can find out all of these things through a discovery process, through reaching out to other, you know, reading other cases around the country and trying to find this information, which can be very valuable.